What's going on, guys? Triple M here again, and today I got another great streaming service to show you. Now, for you guys that have been subscribed to the channel, thank you for your support over the past year or so. If you guys are new, this channel is all about options. Now, in the past, I have reviewed YouTube TV, DirecTV Now, Hulu Live TV, as well as Sling TV. Well, today we're taking a look at PlayStation Vue, and this has been requested by a lot of my subscribers. In today's video, we're going to do a quick run through. We're going to check out some of the features, the channels, the packages, as well as the supported devices. And of course, I am going to do a live test on 2 chosen devices when we're all done. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So if you guys are new to the channel, please consider hitting the red subscribe button in the top right. Of course, I do a lot of streaming tips, product reviews, tech reviews, that is, different ways to cut the cable cord and save you money. Also, check the description, guys, for VPN deals. And if you guys are looking for an Android device, home automation, networking devices, check the description. I do have my Amazon link. This is an affiliate link to my Amazon storefront, guys. I have a lot of streaming devices in there, a lot of different options, as well as home automation. So I'm not going to keep you guys much longer. Let's go ahead and jump over to the PlayStation Vue website. So before we jump into the meat of PlayStation Vue, just know that there's a 5-day trial. So if you're on the fence, sign up for 5 days, see the channel lineup, see if it works on your devices, and then you can make a decision. So the main page here, #1 in customer satisfaction. That's yet to be seen. Scroll down a little bit, and here's some of the package. You notice over the top of each one, it says you do have a 5-day trial, except for the Ultra package. So the first one is the Access, $44.99. Gives you the Popular Live TV. The next one is the Core. This gives you sports and your Popular Live TV. And the next one is the Elite. This gives you movies, kids, sports, and your Popular Live TV. Last but not least, we have the Ultra, and this has all the bells and whistles, including some premium channels. So this is the Access. All right, you can see not much here. Core, Elite, basically everything is checked except for HBO, Showtime. I think everything else is included. Ultra, everything is included, the bells and the whistles. Now, doing a quick math, it's about 97 channels right here. That's all included. And you guys are gonna have to add it up different. This will be 95. So a lot of channels still for $59, and basically compared to the other services, this is a lot more channels that you're getting for your money. So how many devices or how many streams can you run at the same time? So right here spells it out pretty clear. You'll have access to 3 simultaneous streams, both in home and out of home. After you set up your home device, you'll have 2 additional streams to use in home. So that's a total of 5 streams, 5 total streams, and it doesn't matter which package you're on. So you have 5 devices that can stream content at the same time. So what devices are supported with this service? So PlayStation 3 as well as PlayStation 4 consoles are supported. As far as the Roku players, anything that has firmware 7.7 and up, and you can go ahead and click on this link right here, give you more information. Fire TVs, all Amazon devices, you can see all generations should have a PlayStation Vue app in their app store. You have the Apple TV 4th generation running tvOS 11 and up. You also have Android TV all generations. So for your Mi Box users, your Nvidia Shield users, this is in the Google Play Store. And last but not least, this is available on the web, guys. So here are the list of browsers that are supported. So Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, as well as previous evergreen version. So I know for me, the web is a big plus for me. This is where I probably watch most of my TV. So I can stream at home, I can stream at work, I can stream in other places. All I have to do is pop open my web browser, sign in, and I'm good to go. So for those devices that I mentioned, for your Amazon devices, there is functionality, so you can use voice commands to open the application. For the devices with the Android TV, you do have some functionality with the Google Assistant. So as far as DVR, yes, DVR is included, and they give you a lot of room to stream and record your content. So my DVR is the button that you press, and it automatically records the show when it's aired. So this will stay for up to 28 days, and then it will be discard it. So as far as the amount of storage, just to get an idea, it says it right here, guys. You can save unlimited episodes up to 500 programs. So I take it as 500 episodes that you can go ahead and save on your account. So two more things before we jump into the live demonstration. You do have the option to set up to 10 user accounts, and where this comes in handy is that each account will have its own DVR. So if you guys are doing a lot of recording, you won't be bundled up on the one account. So I am signing up for the Elite package, and as far as the payment types, you are restricted to a credit card. You will need to have a credit card on file, so keep that in mind. So here we are in the interface, and I like how it looks so far. So everything up here, these are your live channels. It is in alphabetical order. You can go ahead and scroll to the right, but it's easier to go ahead and use the guide. But let's scroll down this page first. So next we do have DVR. So you have any recordings, this is where they'll show up. Recently watched. You have your sports area, TV shows, kids, movies. You also have channels. These are your featured, and that's it. So scroll up. You do have a dedicated DVR tab, so all your recordings will live here. And remember that you can create multiple accounts, and that way each person will have their own personalized DVR. So I'll start recording something a little bit later, and we're going to test it out when we get over to the NVIDIA Shield. Channels. All the channels, just a big thumbnail. You can see I have a lot of channels, more than I can count, all in alphabetical order as well. You can add to your favorite from here by hitting the heart. You can also start the channel here by just hitting the play button. So live TV, once again, just what it says. Live TV tells you the show that's on versus the channel that we saw on the previous tab. So that way you can at a quick glance say, hey, I want to watch River Monsters, and just click on it and start playing it. So they do have a plus button right here, and if you click on it, that will start recording immediately on your DVR. So click on it. All right, has been added to my DVR. So now it's recorded, and what it'll do, it will record every episode when it airs. I know you guys have been waiting for this. I know I'm excited about this. Let's go over to the guide. So this is what a TV guide should look like, or something similar, guys. I reviewed Hulu Live, and I was not impressed with that guide. It was just what's on right now. Didn't give you a lot of details, but this does. So from here, I am on all channels. You can see there's a clear timeline right here. All right, so 8:30 all the way through 11. And this is the actual channel. So ESPN, we have Fox right there. You can scroll through. All right, it is in alphabetical order. All the events that are playing. Clear timeline right here. Scroll down and just click on the show that you wanted to watch. So for instance, if I wanted to watch Trish Reagan premiere, whatever that is, go ahead and play it. We'll watch it live. And let me go ahead and mute it for you. And I will be blocking out the content just to avoid issues with YouTube, of course, but let me go ahead and pause it as well. Good thing about PlayStation Vue, it is constantly recording ahead, so you can pause and rewind your live TV, which is a great option. So bottom of the window, you do have the forward and backwards 10 seconds to jump backwards, go forward, and go ahead and pause it again. You have your volume control. You do have your resolution. Click on that. You can see, you can set the quality, auto, HD, or SD. Let's go ahead and set it to HD. And you also have the option to turn closed caption on and off. So pretty cool. You do have this button right here. This will essentially put it in a window on the bottom of your screen. And from here, you can move it around. You're restricted to the four corners, so you can drag it up to the right, the bottom. And if you put it back to the center, it will go ahead and go full screen. So over more to the right, you do have the option to search. From here, you can search TV shows, movies, channels, and it will pop up. And you do have the account option right here in the top right. You can go to your settings right here. From here, you do have device settings, manage subscription. You can also add a profile. I know I spoke about this a little bit. So if I wanted to add a profile for a kid, for instance, kid number 1, we'll put his birthday to 10/1/2012, and we'll just say that's a male. We'll hit continue, and there, that profile is added. So now when that person logs in, they can go to that profile. They have their own DVR. They don't have to add and kind of mess with your settings on your personal profile. Let's go back to the DVR tab. And there it is, River Monster. I just started recording. So let's go ahead and jump over to the NVIDIA Shield. We're going to take a look at how it looks on the best streaming device in the world. So here we are on my NVIDIA Shield, and I do have the app downloaded, but just go over to apps, go to your Play Store, and you will need to go ahead and download it. It is in the Play Store, so you don't need to go ahead and sideload it. So it is installed. Let's go ahead and launch it. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So when you sign into a new device, you will see this option, and from here I can go ahead and sign into the account that I created. I can go to the main account, or I can go ahead and add an account. To the left, it does have an option to remember me, so I'll go ahead and click that. I'll go to my main account, and here we are in the interface. So works really well on your remote. You can see it is playing in the background, and I do love that on these applications. When the content is still playing in the background, you can take a look at your guide or whatever you need to look at, and you do still have a live view. I do think the guide even looks better on the NVIDIA Shield, guys. And the remote is very fluid. Hit the back button. Yeah, your main interface. Let's go home. What I'm watching, do have trending live, my DVR. There's that recording that I started. Favorite channels. Do have sports. So right now the Spurs are playing the Magic, and you can see it tells the score right there. That was an option when I went ahead and set it up. You do have the option to not show the score if you guys just want to watch it later, be surprised, or whatever the case is. You do have that option to turn it off. But as usual, Orlando is getting destroyed. Kids featured. You do have your featured shows on the bottom. So guide, just like it showed on the web interface. To the left and the right, we'll go to the different channels. The timeline, of course, is on the left side. Scroll all the way to the bottom, you can go to different days. So if I wanted to see what's on tomorrow, I can go ahead and click on that. And just give it a second, and there it goes. Go back. Here's my on demand. All right. So a lot of on-demand content on here as well. I have Safe House there. And this is stuff that you can just play free of charge, included in your package. You have a search option. We didn't test it out on the web interface, so let's go ahead and search it on the Shield. So let's search for Seinfeld. And there it is right there. So click on that. All right. Do have the season. So if you go up, go to the season that you want to go to. So season 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can go down and go to your specific episode. It tells you when it's coming on. And some of them do have the on-demand option, as you can see in the top right. So pretty cool. So that was my search. Of course, we do have the settings with the profile, some information. You can add accounts, you can exit, you can sign out, and it tells you what version of PlayStation Vue you're running. So that's it for this video, guys. Just a quick run through of PlayStation Vue. I know I've done reviews on YouTube TV, DirecTV Now, Sling TV, as well as Hulu Live, and PlayStation Vue was a highly requested video. So if you guys have any questions about this video, any of my videos that I just listed, or anything on my YouTube channel, drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video if you think this might help someone save some money on the cable bill. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.